Good afternoon. This is a reality test of International English Language Testing System powered by IDP to assess the level of candidate. My name is Varinder and I am here to conduct the pre-IELTS speaking of candidate named Sahil Rana and candidate number 111135. Sahil, are you ready to start?
Yes, sir.
Tell me something about yourself.
My name is Sahil Rana. I come from Nalagarh, which is situated in Solan district in Himachal Pradesh, India. I recently completed my senior secondary from State Board. My hobbies are playing game, reading books and listening to music.
What kind of place is your hometown?
Well, my hometown is a place for visitors as there are a historical fort which is the main attention which keeps main attention of the youth.
What kind of facilities your hometown provide to you?
Well, in my hometown there are all kind of facilities. There are good educational system, good hospitals. Apart from this, my hometown is a coming town for industrial units, like it made many units such as chemical, leather, steel.
Do you like the people of your hometown?
Yes, I like the people of my hometown because they are very honest and hard work.
Okay. Any kind of changes which you would like to have in your hometown?
Well, all the facilities are available in my hometown, but one thing I would like to change is the drainage system. Whenever there is a rain, the roads are waterlogging.
Okay. Do you like science?
Yes, I love science. In fact, in my +1 class, I choose non-medical stream because I am very interested in this subject.
Do you think it is important to study science?
Well, it is not important to study science. It is a choice of personal matter.
Okay. What kind of science did you learn at your school?
I learn many things about science. The subject I read in +1 is physics, chemistry.
Okay. Are you going to use the same subject for your future studies?
Yes, I have burning desire to become an engineer.
Okay. Okay, I'll put you some more questions related to photography. Do you like to take photos?
Yes, I love to click photos. On my every commute, I like to click many pictures.
And why?
Because whenever I down to the dumps, I look at the photos and it recalls my memory.
What kind of photos do you like to save?
I like to save photos which are with my friends and families.
Okay. Who do you think are more crazy to take photos, boys or girls?
I think girls have more craze about photos. They like to click photographs on every day.
Okay. Do you like to take photos of others or your selfies?
Yes, I also take selfies of other people and photos. Like I have a cousin. Whenever we go outside, I love to click picture of them.
Do you like other people taking photos of you?
Yes, I like other people to click photo of me because sometimes selfie is not able to give a proper view. Then one can click my photos.
Is there any photo on the wall of your house?
Yes, in my wall of house there was so many my childhood pictures.
Okay. And do you like them?
Yes, I like them because whenever I saw it remained the memories of my childhood.
Okay. Do you think photos are the best way to recall our memories?
Yes, I think it is the best way to recall memories because by looking at this people can remember about the situation.
Okay. What kind of photos do you like to take most?
I like to take photos from back camera because from selfie my face is not looking very pretty, so I always prefer to click photo by back camera.
Okay. Okay, sir, this is the end of section 1. Now we move to the section 2, which will be your cue card round. I will give you one topic and 1 minute to think, 2 minutes to speak. If you want to make notes, then you can use the notepad. So your topic is here is your topic. You have a 1 minute to think and 2 minutes to speak. Okay, time's up. Shall we start?
Smile is an emotion which links with the sense of joy and happiness. Today I would like to talk about a time when I noticed a group of people smiling. I remember in 2018 I visited a fair in my aunt's village in Solan. I visited there with my brother and sister along with my aunt. When I went there, firstly I looked a herd of crowd sitting in the chairs, consist of children, men and women. There are also some elderly people who came to enjoy this village fair. In the fair there was a comedy show. When I went there, I saw different kinds of animals were used there to entertain people. Like there were elephants, monkeys. Elephants play with the ball. They played with ball and entertained the audience. Monkey is operated by the people. I was very impressed. I also shot a video of it. This incident made me very jubilant. I saw many people were smiling during this event. They were smiled and children were very happy. They click photos and sent to their natives. So this was a time when I noticed a group of people smiling.
Okay. Okay, sir. So this is the end of section 2. Can I get my book back, please?
Yes,
My question booklet. Thank you. So now we move to the section 3, which will be your follow-up round. I will put you some more questions related to smiling. What are the most common things that make people smile?
The most common thing which make people smile, like when parents see their children smiling, it brings smile in face of them also. And if anyone achieve their desired goal, then they also smile.
Do you think people who smile are more friendly?
Yes, I think the people who more smile are very friendly as compared to other. Nowadays people are very rude and they don't like to get social with other. If a friend has friendly nature, then it would be good.
Why do you think certain jobs require you to smile and be presentable?
Yes, many jobs requires good behavior from people, like calling job in which assistant have to conversation with different kinds of people. If they are if their conversation with if they conversation with the smile, then it would be helpful for them.
Why do you think the smiling pose is so common in photos?
Well, smiling pose is very common in photos because people wants to click a picture with which it represent that they are happy, so they are like to pose and smile.
How do you feel when you saw children smiling?
Well, childhood is the period of adult mercy. Children are not children free from all kinds of worry, so they always smile. Whenever I look at the children who were smiled, I felt very happy. I also remembered my days.
Do you think a smile gives a good impression to another person?
Definitely, smile gives a very good impression to the others. If we behave very good, then it will be very beneficial for us and others.
Okay. Okay, Sahil, so this is the end of your speaking session. You have a lovely day. Thank you.
Thank you.